Hi, I'm Sebastian Oliver Tua. I'm going to do a science experiment. Materials needed: water, food color, glass, celery, and spoon. Let's put the water to the glass. Let's put the food color with water. Yellow. Stir. Blue. Stir. Red. Stir. Green. Stir. Let's put the celery. Let's wait what will happen.
3 days later.
The celery absorbed the water and turned this color: yellow, blue, red, green. The water dosed up and spread to the plants. This told the temporary action. Thank you.